So there are specific legal provisions under which a husband can legally deny paying maintenance to his wife. First one is willful desertion. If your wife has willfully deserted you and is living separately for a continuous period of time, you get the exemption to pay zero maintenance to her. Secondly, is adultery. If your wife has committed adultery and we can prove it, then also we get the exemption. Thirdly, if she is employed and financially independent, or even if she is unemployed at the moment, but we can prove that she is highly qualified, or at least she is well qualified to get a job, then also we can argue that she can earn a living and maintain herself. Next is remarriage. If she is already remarried with another person or living in a relationship with another person, we can argue that she is not at all entitled to get any kind of maintenance from her former husband. Next is wife's wealth. If we can prove that the wife has substantial amount of wealth or assets to her name, then also we can argue that she can maintain herself.